doing all these things. I'm cooking, I'm cleaning, I'm fetching water at the same time. But you, what did you tell me?
I told you I have house.
Look at this bush. Babe, I don't have this kind of money. But because you are a liar, a pathetic liar.
Every day, man picking, wash plate, sweep. This lifestyle is not for anybody. It's not a normal thing at all. You sweep, you wash plate. I think what I'll do is that girl, I will just trap and marry her, bring her home, period. Just know how. All this kind of sweeping. I don't tire. I can't continue all these things. Just find a way, attack that girl, marry her, enter. Period. My baby, fine girl. See how you are glowing, you are shining. I can't believe it.
You can't believe what? I'm shining. How? You promised me. You not said anything about the phone you promised to buy me.
That one next week. Everything will be on point. Everything will come next week. Next week. You know, straight from Junior on our way they come. Trust me now. No delay. All these things is just straight to the point. Money will come. Container will land. All these your friends will start to envy you. Start to be jealous of you. Then when they see you shining like this, they will know that.
Are you sure? I hope you are not whining.
Do I look like a whiner?
Even today, you said you were taking me out. I was expecting us to go to a restaurant, but you said we should meet here.
This today is a small problem. Don't worry. When it comes, I will handle that one. It just pass. Today is keep my mind small like that.
Skip your mind. You said we were going on a date.
Come and see you now. I was preparing to come and see you. So
see, today you didn't even bring anything for me. I was expecting you to bring a suya that you usually bring.
Your shadow now. Fine girl like this. You know you now. What I'm planning for is marriage. Straight. Because
marriage.
This one that you are shining.
Are you serious? You marry me?
Next month like this, I'm planning something.
Next month?
Odugu like me. Be big man.
But babe, you have to buy me that iPhone before the marriage.
Don't worry, I told you to come soon. I've ordered it online.
Really?
You know this online now. If I order double, they will come with it tomorrow. Now they may bring fake one. So now let's calm down. Original one. Me, I don't rush things. But it's on the way. But now like this, China, India, all these people, they are packaging it. Once they do, they will send it. I know it's through water. The thing is coming through water. Like
through water.
They are flying this ship that they.
Okay.
So I charter full ship for your phone now.
Are you serious? See, my bridal shower, I want to snap picture with iPhone. I want all those my friends that they've been saying a lot of things about me and you, that you are not going to marry me, and you don't have money since when you've not bought any phone for me.
Mention
this
that
and that.
You can say
I want them to see it. I want to pay them.
All this, in fact, you won't just pay them. You go salted them. They go collect pepper, collect soap. Me, I tell you now.
I can't wait.
That smile again. How can you just smile again? My love.
My baby.
Okay, don't worry now. So, like this now, me, I don't tell you all these things. Everything will just calm down. Look. One sharp before you know. All the things I used to say, I will do them 10 times. You don't trust me. That's the problem. You don't trust me. But I will surprise you.
Baby, see, if I see that iPhone, I won't doubt you again, baby.
Okay, don't worry. My sweet wife is home. We are home.
Is this place you call home?
Calm down. I know by now.
Calm down.
What? Body is too hot. You already.
I'm not seeing any light.
This is our paradise. See, Bob now.
What is paradise here?
Come on. See.
Look at the paint. Look at the color. Very dull. Like it is not even welcoming. Is this the paradise? Oh, okay. I'm sorry, you're joking. Maybe you're showing me our real house. I guess, right?
Now this is our house now. Can't you see everywhere? Like I even painted it newly. You know.
This dull color. You call it painted
You
newly.
will love the bedroom. This
From looking at this place, I know inside is going to be rubbish.
No.
No light. Look at the color.
Why are you talking like this now?
The apartment is smelling like you don't have air freshener. I don't understand. What kind of house is this? And you expect me, a newly married wife, to stay in this house like this, Abi?
We just came in and you just started.
I was expecting to see something because of how you've been talking.
To see talking.
What
do you mean when you be talking?
You've been talking.
See, we just came in here and I don't like too much of English and drama. We speak English the way you want. This is where we are staying final. You are saying this. Can't you see the effort the effort I put in? See everything.
Does this tally with what you are saying? You've been telling me the house is beautiful, mansion, air conditioned everywhere.
You just came today. You just showed that you are not even here for peace.
Where is the kitchen to this house?
This is the first day of this marriage,
kitchen?
And you are beginning to misbehave like this. What kind of woman are you now?
What kind of man are you? Where is the kitchen? You only showed me one room.
This is not what I want.
You showed me one. Oh, this is what I want.
God.
Where is the mansion? Look at me now. You said you have a mansion. Is this your mansion? A mansion that does not even have kitchen. Where do you expect us to be cooking?
Madam,
you have succeeded in marrying me with lies.
What do you mean with lies?
With lies.
What is wrong with this?
You said you have money, you have this, you have that. Your home is fully air conditioned. Even fan you don't have. Look at the ceiling. No fan, no light, no kitchen. No, look at the color of the paint. Like, I don't know. Are we Babalawo? What kind of color is this? See, this is not what you promised me, or this is not what you told me. Let me tell you. I don't know. I don't know how you do it, oh.
We are here already. It's just to figure out how we can move forward.
I don't understand. Figo. Who are the we?
You are already here.
Who are the we?
What are you trying to say?
It is left for you to do what you have said. All the lies, you have to live up to that standard. Let me tell you.
I don't understand. I have to live up to that. What do you mean lies? What lies are you even talking about first? Like me and you.
You said you have a mansion. Is this mansion?
What is this?
Room and parlor.
What is this?
With no kitchen.
Go and Google
I don't even know whether there is toilet in this house or not.
Go and Google the meaning of mansion and come and see if this is not the mansion. Yeah, some people are sleeping under tree. You even have house like
that. Is even better. They told their partners that me, I don't have house, so we sleep under the tree. But you, what did you tell me?
I told you I have house.
Look at this bush. Look at this bush that you have brought me to. Look at the bush you brought me into, and you expect me to sit. Me, okay, wait. So if my friends are coming now, I should bring them to this rubbish.
No. Take them to backyard.
This rubbish.
Take them to the backyard.
This man, come back here. I'm talking and you are going.
Don't follow me with your problem.
I'll follow you. I'm not seeing any ingredients here. How do you expect me to cook this man? Okay?
No, not again.
What do you mean by not again?
Today is not a good day for all these things.
Oh, you think today is a good day for me? Wanting to cook. And then I realized no ingredients. In fact, local rice, not even foreign. All the food stuff there, they are all local food stuff. See, I need money. I want to go and buy crayfish and spices. You know, all those spices: curry, fish, crayfish, ice fish, meat. I want to prepare soup.
Did you say meat? Auntie, we don't eat meat here for now. You see, when all the money that I've borrowed now, I haven't even paid back for this marriage.
Hang it.
I haven't paid
all
back
the money you what?
I borrowed.
You borrowed.
For this marriage. So
okay. So your true color is beginning to come out.
And you too now, everybody.
Your true color is beginning to come out.
Everybody's true color is
coming out. All those things that you've been giving me were just lies in order for me to agree to marry you, Abi. You are very wicked.
Whatever
How do
you
you
have
expect me to
interpreted,
start eating local rice
whatever
with
you
sand inside?
Oh, you don't eat. Okay, then you fast and pray.
I'm eating rice as if
No meat, no
as if I'm eating
crayfish.
sand.
No. What do you call it? Ingredients. That meat and crayfish that you call most especially. Anything that you see there, you manage.
I did not see anything there. Apart from potash, salt.
Okay.
I didn't see anything
Thank
there.
God there is potash and salt.
Even pepper, there is none. And you expect me, a newly wedded wife, to cook without ingredients?
Exactly. The same way me a newly wedded husband is telling you now.
You are very wicked.
Until we pay back all this debt, we are saying
who are
no
they
meat.
We? Who are they we?
I say no meat.
Who are we? Who are we?
Me
Until
now.
we pay. Until we. Did I send you to go? Where are you going to?
No meat.
Did I send you to borrow money to marry me? Did I ask you to like?
You say you wanted
all these men of
wedding.
nowadays.
You say your friends line up. You say you had 15,000.
Did I force you?
100,000.
Did I force you?
This is not what you have been.
Did I force you?
When I said make list, you brought list like it's Dangote.
The simple thing you would have done is, see, oh, babe, I don't have this kind of money. But because you are a liar, a pathetic liar, you decided to collect everything. And look at the rubbish you brought me into. My friends cannot even come here. I can't even bring them here.
You yourself,
you don't even have food.
No food.
I'm talking to you. I need money. I need money.
Better go and manage anything you see inside.
I did not see anything.
From now till December again, December next year, we are
from
on
now till what? You are on debt.
Okay, I am on debt, but
you are on debt, money. Not me.
Very good. Stay there. Let me even go and see.
Come back here with this man. You are going out. You expect me to cook, to clean, to do everything. You came back from work. Are you not supposed to come and help somebody? At least other people's husband, they are helping them, but me, you only be asking me, where is my food? Where is my food? You just got back and you allow me to. You were looking at me. In fact, look at the okra that you bought. Plenty, as if we are how many in this house? I don't even know. Instead of you to carry knife and come and help me so that we'll continue cutting this thing and finish on time. No. And very soon you start calling, where is my food? Bring me food, oh. Useless man. You are ungrateful. You are not kind. You are not helping at all. It's like you bought a slave, a house girl to your house. I don't know. Did you buy me? In fact, from my mother's house, from my father's house, I was not treated like this now. But look at you here. I'm always suffering in the name of marriage. When we were dating, I will help you do this. Oh baby, I will be cooking for you, breakfast in bed, this and that. But now you are looking at me suffering, working, doing all these things. I'm cooking, I'm cleaning, I'm fetching water at the same time. Useless man. My God will judge you for this thing that you've done. God will judge you. Nonsense. If you are watching movie, you see how they are treating their wives. Oh baby, you are tired, let me help you. Can you stop this? Let me just do it for you. But look at you here. Even to tell me well done, you can't. You just eat. Leave everything for me. After eating, I'll be the one to pack it. You not even say thank you, well done. You not even tell me that the food that you ate was nicely and neatly prepared. You not say it.